one more. Science and fun, we mix and create. At our fair, every project is great. Building volcano, studies the globe. At our science fair, there's so much to show. From models and charts to theories we test, HPMI students are doing their best. Questions and answers, we're on a quest. Learning and growing, we're truly blessed. With our fair